Welcome to your SST class, students. Today we are going to continue our chapter 6, Democratic Republic of Congo or DRC. Today we will know about the wildlife of DRC. Wildlife. A variety of wildlife is found in the forest and savanna of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Elephants, hippopotamus, and rhinoceros, including many rare and endemic species, such as both species of chimpanzees, the common chimpanzee and the bonobo, mountain gorilla, okapi, and white rhino are found here. There are many types of birds and insects in the forest. Among the insects is found the TCTC fly, which causes the dreaded sleeping sickness. Agriculture. Farming is done on a large scale. Crops like rice, cotton, groundnut, coffee, rubber, cocoa, tobacco, palms, and cultivated. Cassava is the staple food. Some agriculture products like cocoa, coffee, and palm oil are also exported to other parts of the world. Industries. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in mineral resources. Congo is the world's largest producer of cobalt and a major producer of copper and diamond. The DRC has good deposits of tantalum, which is used in the fabrication of electronic components in computers and mobile phones. Other minerals include cobalt, copper, gold, uranium, and silver. There are a few industries, and most of them are in or near the cities. The government is making efforts to develop the resources. Water is another important natural resource. Dams built on the rivers produce hydroelectricity. Life of the people. The DRC is thinly populated. Most of the people live in the villages, in the highlands, in the east, and along the rivers. Most of them are Bantu speaking Negroes. They follow a traditional lifestyle in the village due to hot and wet climate. They wear limited clothes. They enjoy music and dance in cities. People mostly wear modern clothes. About 30% of people live in cities. In the northern part, the most well-known inhabitant of the DRC are the Pygmies. They are short in height. Their huts are small. They are skilled hunters. Christianity is the major religion in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Roman Catholic Church in the Democratic Republic of Congo is one of the largest Christian denominations in the Africa. Transport. Rail and road connect cities with each other, but the land transport is not so well developed. Water transport over the river Congo and other rivers is the major means of transport. Air carriers certified by the DRC are banned from European Union airports by the European Commission due to the inadequate safety measures. Language. More than 200 languages are spoken in the country. French is the official language. 4 African languages are also widely spoken. Swahili in the east, Kikango in the between Kinshasa and the coast, Tishiluba in the south, and Lingala along the Congo River. Children, here your chapter has been finished. Read and understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.